What's up, YouTube? It's Taylor. I got the tire all reassembled back onto Rover, and today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to do a multi-kilometer run. I'm going to try to hit a 3-mile trail. I think it was 4.6 kilometers. I'm going to try to go the full duration of the trail with Rover. So I don't know, the trail might get a little narrow and I don't want to damage the sides of the trail, so I'll go for as long as I can, and we'll have a good run. I've got a chest mount camera holder, so I'll be recording the whole run and make some video out of that. First thing I want to do though is I want to up Rover's speed by 20% here, just to make it so I don't have to go at a total slow walking pace, to be able to go a little faster. I'm going to show quickly how that's done. So if you're working with Rover in the field, the easiest way to change the code is to pull the SD card right out of the Raspberry Pi, and then we're going to plug this into the computer, make a couple of changes, and put it back. I'd love to get a Wi-Fi connection going on the go, but I haven't worked out that code to do that. So we're just going to click on that drive here. We're going to go into Home, Pi, Rover, go down to fluttercontrol.pi. Okay, so we're just going to find the line in here. Okay, there it is. So it's throttle times minus 70. So we're going to increase that by 20%. So we're going to say throttle times minus 84. Hit save. Now just it's a minus just the way I've got all this code going. The control code's a little awkward, and I've got all these kind of fudge values everywhere. It's could definitely take some improvement, but the way this works, I had it at minus 70 before, now it's minus 84, so we're going to get a little more throttle for every push of the stick, and the max value will be 20% more. So we'll save that, put the SD card back in Rover, and boot it back up. Oh, these are the big honking battery packs that we're using. It's the 10 amp hour para packs wired in parallel. So 6S 10 amp hour times 2, so 20 amp hour. We're going to take that on a long run today. So we've got the batteries here. We've got the 2 big batteries, and then this is our little USB battery pack. This is using this as a 5-volt supply, just because I have not wired in a separate 5-volt supply off of the big packs. We'll get there. Went ahead and made those changes on the SD card, and then just put that back in the Pi right there. You can see we've got the electronics bay is a little bit of a mess, but there is some sanity to it, so the CAN wires can go off to the side here. Keep all these wires off to the side, and we got room to stick in these big packs. So do the packs one at a time. Drop that in. Okay. Move that off to the side. Do the next one. I tell you, onboard charging would be nice, although it is also nice that I don't have to take the entire robot into the house. So, and then this wiring will get cleaned up, of course. Now that we know this mechanical platform works, it makes sense to invest a little more time and love into improving the operator interaction with it. Okay, so we got the wires out of the way here. This is our connection to the main pack, so we'll be plugging that one in right there when it's time. But I'm going to go ahead and mount the rest of the electronics in here, get it all tidied up, throw on some Velcro, and then we'll give this one a test run before we take it out to the park. Okay, so we've got the Raspberry Pi nestled in here, hooked the CAN bus adapter back up. I'm hooking up the LEDs now, just like that. Oh yep, we're gonna drop in the battery pack here, so find a nice comfortable place to lay this, maybe like that. Alright, so we got the Velcro straps here holding everything on, and let's see if we can find our, okay, here's our 5-volt connection, so we'll put that into the power supply here. We got the remote control here. This is the Flutter remote control that I did a Kickstarter for, so just make sure that you're not pushing on any of the sticks, and insert the battery. There we go, just lights up. Now that's on. And when it boots up, it needs to be in a neutral position. I don't have some of the better safety interlocks that you see on drones. And then hook up the main system power There we go. Sometimes I have trouble with that connector. And then there's a little button on this power pack. There we go. Now that's on. And we're just going to wait a moment for that to boot, and it'll flash red. It'll flash green when it's booted up. Okay, finally got that working. Had to mess with the straps here. Woo! Yep, so Rover is operational and twitchy as usual. All right, looks like everything's operational. Time to go to the park. All right, we're back here at the park. So gonna go ahead and get the battery installed there. Get this ready. Come over to Rover here. And let's see, plug in our battery monitor. The main system power next. Hooking up the Raspberry Pi power. Boom, that's on. All right, so that's gonna boot up. We're gonna see those green lights. All right, Rover is live. Cool. It's actually moving my car. All right, we're all set. Let's go for a hike.
Hey, thanks for watching. The next video, where I take Rover on a 2-kilometer run, is already posted, so please go to my channel and make sure to watch that video too. Thanks.